Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen Olaw, every Saturday between 11 and noon right here on News 96.5. You know, Chrissy, about a month or 6 weeks ago, just randomly started talking about how my dad was a lawyer in Orlando in the early days. And in the early days, he did Saturday appointments just like I do. And on the way home from his office in downtown Orlando, we would stop at a little bar on the corner of Virginia and 1792, and I'd sit in there, and he would drink his beer, and he'd get a draft, and he would put salt on his beer. I'd never ask him why and where that came from, but I just remember him doing that. And then as we talked about it, more and more listeners would call us and tell us that they've heard of such a thing, or in fact, they do such a thing. And then I meant to tell you that last week, show up at the office, and somebody out there in listener land, did not tell me who he or she was, dropped off a little beer salt shaker. Aww. So it's in the shape of a beer bottle, and it's a commercial product. I'm sure you buy it in a store, and it says beer salt, and this one happens to be lime-flavored beer salt. So it's apparently popular enough that they make a special beer salt shaker for it.
Well, thank you for sharing, and thank you to the listener who did that. That was very gracious, very kind. You're listening and then also aware of this and gave that to you.
Yeah, and you know that now we go out and I always get a beer with my dinner, and guess who's putting salt in his beer now, just like his daddy was.
Well, I think that that's wonderful. And how do you like it?
I like it very much. It goes very nice on that foamy top of my beer.
So it enhances the beer.
I do. I like it a lot.
Wonderful.